Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to review your account balances and positions on Questrade Edge Mobile. To get started, open the Edge Mobile app and log in. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. At the top of this screen, you'll see the name of your account and account number. If you have multiple accounts, you can swipe left or right at any time to switch between them. Tapping on the account name also brings up the My Account screen showing all your accounts. Here, you can switch between viewing your balances in a combined Canadian dollar view or combined US dollar view, and reorder how your accounts are shown. Continuing on the individual account screen, you'll see a mini chart that shows your total equity across all your accounts. Below your total equity, you'll see your open profit and loss, also known as P&L, and the day's P&L in both Canadian and US dollars. In the top right corner of this mini chart, you can tap See All Balances to view more details. This takes you to a page where you can review a performance chart for your accounts. You can see how they've performed over the last month, 3 months, 6 months, year, or since being opened. Below the performance chart, you can choose the Current tab or Start of Day tab. The Current tab shows your account details in real time, whereas Start of Day displays where your balances were when the day began. The Balances section shows your balances in Canadian and US dollars respectively. Here, you'll see your total equity, the amount of cash in your account, and your account's market value. Below the Balances section is the amount you have available to trade. If you have a margin account, this will be presented as your max buying power and buying power respectively. To learn more about buying power and max buying power, click on the link in the description below. Any additional self-directed accounts, such as TFSAs or RRSPs, will just show their max buying power here. Lower down, you'll find your total invested capital. This consists of your net deposits, total deposits, and withdrawals. At the bottom, you have your profit and loss section, which shows your P&L for the day in Canadian and US dollars. You'll also see your open P&L, which is the current profit or loss on an open position, and closed P&L, which shows profit or loss on a completed trade. Below that is your simple rate of return percentage, along with your total profit and loss. If you return to the Positions tab, you can view the performance of your various positions. The drop-down menu beneath your mini chart lets you reorder the display by position or strategy. The icons to the right of this drop-down also let you adjust the view of your positions. The square bracket icon changes your view to full screen horizontal. The bullet list icon presents your positions in table view, which includes detailed columns that cover information such as open quantity and average price. You can scroll across this view to view different columns of information. If you're viewing your positions with these columns, the icon with 3 dots gives you the option to edit the columns. Editing the columns lets you filter the information you see about each position, such as daily P&L, earnings date, and exchange. You can also use the icon with 3 dots to group underlying symbols. If you're viewing your positions in their default form, the icon with 3 dots will present a sort option. Using this option, you can organize your position by symbol, market value, open P&L, or P&L percentage. The default view for your positions shows each security's ticker symbol, how many shares you own, and the price you paid for them. The amount on the right displays the total value of your investment in the security. The red or green bar with the dollar amount in it shows how much the value of that security has increased or declined since the previous day's close. You can also tap the dollar amount to view it as a percentage. You can also make trades from this page. Start by tapping on the security you want to trade. It'll pull up a mini chart for that security from the bottom of the screen. tap the green Trade button in the top right corner of this mini chart to get started. If you want to view more information about the security itself, you can tap the ticker symbol in the bottom mini chart for full details. We hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of your account balances on Edge Mobile. For more information about our Edge Mobile app, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.